Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new blog video. In this video, I would like to say something about my English speaking journey. Okay, so let's get start this video. First of all, thank you so much for all their lovely friends. Okay, so dear friends, my English speaking journey before 6 months ago. Okay, so now my English speaking already 6 months completed, and now I am not for fluent speaker, but also actually it's a beginner. It's called a beginner, and now I am English speaking very well, not fluency. Okay, so when I start my English speaking journey, so that time I not any word or speak English in front of camera and in front of any public place. Okay, so now I am in front of camera for every moment. I speak English so very well, and also public place like market and on the road. So different kind of place I speak English very well, because it's a very big opportunity for me. Okay, so dear friends, actually I am study for learning English. So simple way for learning English. Actually, I am daily wake up early in the morning, and at that time I reading my English journey, like reading book and many kind of English articles, and also I also watching English podcast channel like BBC. It's the very famous international English news channel, and also I watch actually uh, many kind of English cartoon video. Okay, so as well as I am video making regularly, and this is the most important things for video making every day. Okay, and I also any kind of situation like now I am standing here at the paddy field, and behind me there is a on paddy field and there is a on village, and any kind of things. Okay, so that is the things. Okay, so this is the way for learning English for beginner learners. Okay, so my English journey is a very difficult and very tough, and actually I am belongs to very poor family, and actually I live at village, not for any city life. Okay, so my village actually this is our village, and very small village, and not for a English environment. It's actually my mother tongue actually Bengali, and I also study schooling language. Actually it's my Assamese language. Okay, so because my actually our state name Assam, so that's why our language actually Assamese. Okay, I study not for English language. It's a Assamese language students, and now I am learning for English. Okay, so dear friends, if you learn speaking English fluently, and you can try more and more, and you have to practice more and more. And this is the way you have to practice regularly and practically. For example, now I am standing here and in front of a camera and making blogging video, and our behind side any kind of things, and explain this situation. Okay, so that is the way for learning English. And I think one of the people, so you can try this language start today, actually not for study, not for tomorrow, and start for today. And actually regularly time manage and time maintain, regularly practice this language. I think you will be able for 2 months or 3 months, you will be able this language very well, not for fluency but very well speaking English. And in my case, my also this way my English skills start this situation. Okay, so it's the very essential, and it's the actually English language is one of the famous and most important language in the world. And it's a global language, so that's why I start this language learning. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.